Hello everyone! Welcome back again to our video lesson in English 4. We are now in quarter 3, week 3 and 4. The reference is ECOS 4 and the pages are 144, 153, and 161. I'm your teacher, Marilu E. Suelio. Our objective is to recognize the compound subject-verb agreement and subject-verb agreement and subject and object pronouns. Please prepare the following: ball pen and paper. This is the sample worksheet paper that you may use. Our first topic is compound subject-verb agreement. Two or more subjects, nouns, or pronouns may be joined in the compound subject of a sentence. If two or more subjects joined by and, use plural verb. For example, Marie and Migs learn math quickly. So the two subjects, Marie and Migs, are joined by the word and. So we are going to use the plural verb learn. So Marie and Migs learn math quickly. Example number 2. The trees and the shrubs are in sale. So the subjects trees and shrubs are joined by and. So we are going to use the plural verb, which is are. So the trees and the shrubs are in sale. If a compound subject refers to a single person, thing, or idea, use singular verb. For example, bacon and eggs. Since bacon are partnered with eggs, so these subjects refers into a single menu, which is the bacon and egg. So we are going to use the singular verb is. So bacon and eggs is a popular breakfast. And then the next example is the secretary and the treasurer is Mrs. Ann. So Mrs. Ann is both secretary and treasurer. Therefore, these two compound subjects refers to a single person. So we use the singular verb form, which is. If two subjects joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the subject nearer the verb. For example, neither Jeff nor Jenny wants or want to see a movie. So Jeff and Jenny are joined using nor, and the nearer subjects is Jenny. Jenny is a singular subject, therefore we are going to use the singular verb, which is wants. So neither Jeff nor Jenny wants to see a movie. Example number 2. Either the band or the cheerleaders is or are in the gym. So the band and the cheerleaders are joined using or, and the subject that is nearer to our verb, which is cheerleaders. And cheerleaders is plural, therefore we are going to use the plural verb are. So either the band or the cheerleaders are in the gym. Discuss more on subject-verb agreement. So, indefinite pronoun subjects. If the indefinite pronouns is the subject of the sentence, use the singular verb. So, what are the indefinite pronoun subjects? So, these are the following: each, another, anybody, anyone, anything, either, everybody, everyone, someone, everything, neither, nobody, no one, something, nothing, one, other, somebody. So these are the indefinite pronoun. For example, nothing appear to work well. Since the indefinite pronoun nothing is used as the subject in our sentence, therefore we are going to use the singular verb form, which is appears. So, nothing appears to work well. Example number 2, everybody rides along that path. So, everybody is the indefinite pronoun, and this is also the subject in our sentence. So we are going to use the singular verb, which is rides. So the sentence is everybody rides along that path. When one of the following indefinite pronouns is the subject of the sentence, use plural verb. So the indefinite pronouns are both few, many, and several. For example, few enjoy mowing alone. So few is used as a subject in the sentence. We are going to use the plural verb enjoy. So, few enjoy mowing alone. Example number 2, many avoid trimming shrubs. Since many is used as a subject in the sentence, we are going to use the plural verb avoid. So, many avoid trimming shrubs. Use the singular verb form if the indefinite pronoun refers to a singular noun. Our indefinite pronouns are all, any, most, none, some, and such. For example, all of the book was interesting. So, the indefinite pronouns all is used in the sentence, and it refers to a singular noun, which is book. We are going to use the singular verb was. So all of the book was interesting. And use the plural verb form if the indefinite pronoun refers to plural noun. For example, all of the books were interesting. So all is our indefinite pronouns, and it refers to the noun books, which is plural. Therefore, we use the plural verb were. So all of the books were interesting. Let's proceed to subject and object pronouns. Words such as she and her are called personal pronouns. What is personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are words that replaces a noun or nouns. There are two types of personal pronouns: the subject pronouns and the object pronouns. Let's focus first the subject pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. The subject pronouns usually comes at the beginning of the sentence and does the actions in the sentence. For example, Abby bakes a carrot cake. Abby is a noun, specifically a proper noun. What should we replace Abby with? Abby is a girl. So, we are going to replace it with she. So, she bakes a carrot cake. Let's have another example. Kim and I walk to the church together. What pronoun should we replace Kim and I? We are going to replace it with we. So we walk to church together. Now let's proceed to object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Object pronouns is the receiver of the actions in the sentence. For example, Miss Rihanna gave Zach a balloon. Who is the receiver of the action? Zach. What pronoun should we replace Zach? Zach is a boy, therefore, we are going to replace it with him. So Mrs. Rihanna gave him a balloon. A personal pronoun usually refers to the noun it replaces. That noun is called the antecedent of the pronoun. For example, Athena was the Greek goddess of wisdom. We replace Athena with subject pronoun she. She was the Greek goddess of wisdom. The antecedent of the given example is Athena, and the personal pronoun that we replace Athena is she. For your activity, copy and answer in your one whole sheet of paper. Complete the second sentence by writing on the line a subject pronoun or the object pronoun that will agree the highlighted antecedent. Activity 2. Read the story of Bats in China on page 164 and answer the following questions. That's all for today's video lesson. I hope you understand. Thank you for listening and goodbye!